Alright everybody, welcome back. David over at Frequency Frontiers. So, should repeaters require minimum use? Alright, so here's a spicy one. Should repeaters have a minimum activity level to stay coordinated? I travel all over the bands and all over. And let me tell you, some repeater pairs are locked down by machines that have not heard a human voice in years. Meanwhile, there are some active clubs begging for clean frequencies. Coordinators are stuck. They want to encourage activity, but they also don't want turf wars or drama. But is it fair for silent repeaters to hold spectrum hostage while active communities struggle for space? In my opinion, if a machine hasn't had a real QSO in 6 months or a year, maybe it's time to reevaluate that coordination. Either revive it, repurpose it, or open it up for someone who will use it. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe having a dormant repeater is better than handing over the channel to someone who will misuse it. Or maybe coordinators shouldn't be policing activity at all. So what do you think? Should repeaters have a minimum use requirement, or should coordinators stay hands off and let owners do whatever they want? Drop your comments down below. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. 7-3.